Despite the fact that Indiana lags behind surrounding states in COVID-19 vaccinations, Governor Holcomb says that he still will not create a vaccine lottery. It's one of the topics that he covered when speaking with reporters today. CBS 4 State House reporter Kristen Eskow spoke with the governor and got his comments on the ongoing court battle with Indiana's Attorney General.
This was the first time we've spoken with Governor Eric Holcomb since the hearing earlier this week in Marion County Court regarding the lawsuit he's filed. Now, it was one of several topics we spoke with him about, including why he still believes lottery incentives aren't the way to go to get Hoosiers vaccinated.
It seems to me that the closer we can get to different individuals around our respective states, the more effective it is.
Governor Eric Holcomb says he's focused on getting the vaccine into more Indiana neighborhoods and working with community leaders to encourage vaccination instead of offering incentives. But how do you encourage people to take advantage of that access if they don't see any incentive?
It's a slog, and it's going to be a grind. And, you know, there is I can't change reality. If there are some people who are just dead set against it, it's their personal responsibility.
Governor Holcomb believes more Hoosiers will choose to get the shot once it gets full FDA approval. Although he didn't stop Indiana University's vaccine mandate, Holcomb says he's against public institutions requiring the vaccine.
I do support private businesses making that call, but not public institutions.
Thursday marked our first time speaking with Holcomb since Attorney General Todd Rokita filed a motion to have the governor's lawsuit against the General Assembly thrown out. The chief executive and chief law enforcement officer are at odds over whether Holcomb can hire his own lawyers to try to stop a law that allows the legislature to call itself into session. How would you describe your relationship right now with the Attorney General?
We're friends. We have an honest disagreement about a constitutional issue, but I'm not against whatsoever the legislature coming back and dealing with this. One, I'd call them back. Two, I offered that. Three, there's a constitutional amendment process.
I also asked the governor how he felt about Wednesday's hearing regarding that lawsuit. He wasn't in the courtroom, but told me he's pleased with the outside legal representation he's hired and is waiting to see how things play out in court. In the newsroom, Kristen Eskow, CBS 4 News.
Kristen, thank you.